So what are some of those options available to Pennsylvanians who still need the help? The Secretary of the Pennsylvania Department of Human Services joins us live tonight with some answers. Teresa Miller, thank you for joining us tonight. Teresa,
thanks so much for having me.
Of course, we spend so much time talking about unemployment and the struggles that some people had with that system. But what are some of the non-unemployment options available for people who are struggling?
Sure. So the Department of Human Services administers most of what is considered to be Pennsylvania's public assistance system. So these are programs that support and facilitate access to both routine as well as life-saving health care. We also help Pennsylvanians purchase food. We help them pay home energy costs, and in some cases help pay for other basic expenses like clothing, transportation, and shelter. So if people have either lost their job or maybe they have a job that doesn't provide health insurance, they can get access to health care through our Medicaid program. The Children's Health Insurance Program helps children access health care. We have a new state-based exchange, which is called Penny, that can all facilitate access to health care that, of course, in a pandemic is even more important than it is during other times. And again, if people are struggling to pay for food and put food on the table, our Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or what we call the SNAP program, that's available to help people pay for groceries. We have a low-income home energy assistance program that is running right now and helps people pay their home heating bills through the winter months. And for our really low-income families, our pregnant women and families with children who are really low income, our Temporary Assistance to Needy Families, or TANF program, may be able to help. So all of these programs are really built for times like this. They are here to be a resource to people when they need it.
If people want to learn more or find out if they qualify for any of these programs, where would they go? Where would they go to sign up?
They can go to our website, which is www.compass.state.pa.us. And they don't have to worry about their eligibility. We'll take care of that, but they can go to Compass and apply for any of these and all of these programs.
And Secretary Miller, before we go, what message would you have for Pennsylvanians who are struggling right now?
The message that we've been trying to get out is that help is available, and there are resources in your community. There are resources available through the state, and don't hesitate to reach out. Another resource I like to talk about is 211. And if people are interested, they can go to pa211.org, or they can text their zip code to 898-211, and they can be connected to local resources in their community. So there are resources here. They're here to help people in times like this. Don't hesitate to reach out. We know people are struggling, and we're all going to get through this together, but don't hesitate to reach out for help.
Thank you again for joining us tonight and for sharing all of these resources. Hopefully people will be able to tap into this holiday week. We appreciate your time.
Thank you.